Welcome YouTube family once again to my YouTube channel. Whether you are new here or you're one of our amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for being part of this growing community. Your support truly keeps this channel going. And in today's video, I'm going to be highlighting a company that is currently recruiting transcribers to perform transcription services, all right? And this job was posted few hours ago, right? So kindly go over and apply for the opportunities that I'm going to be sharing in this video, right? And one of the things I like about this opportunity is a remote job, so you can perform these services all from the comfort of your home. All right, so let's get started. The first project I'm going to be highlighting is called Kambai, and for those who are living in Togo, you can apply for this opportunity as a transcriber to perform some transcription services. All right, so you are going to follow the project guidelines for you to be able to do this, and the company that is currently recruiting is called Sigma AI. All right, so this job was posted 19 hours ago, and you can see over on their LinkedIn profile, just 5 people have clicked to apply. So you have opportunity to apply for this opportunity. All right, so let's go over to the requirement, which is the most important. And the first requirement that is needed for you to apply for this opportunity is proficiency in both oral comprehension and written expression of the mentioned language is essential. And the second one is intermediate level of English. So that means you must have a mid-level of English language, all right? Then the third one is computer skills at users level, right? So you must be a computer literate. You must be able to perform some tasks that is given to you on their dashboard, all right? Then lastly, attention to details, all right? So you must be able to follow the project guidelines that is going to be given to you, all right? Then the following will be valued, which is the most important: experience in transcription or data annotation, all right? So one thing I like about most of all these remote job services is that you are going to be given a project guideline that is going to give you the steps in which you can follow to do the job correctly, all right? So if you follow those rules, all right, you are going to be able to perform the job correctly. And one of the things also I like about most of all these remote services is that those guidelines are well descriptive, and they are going to give you some examples to follow in order to do the job correctly, all right? So that is how you can get started, all right? So how do you get to apply for this opportunity? You are going to click over where you are saying apply. All right, so this is the company website, Sigma. You can see the perform annotation, translation, multiple locations, fully remote, and you can see can be transcriber remote. All right, so you click on applied for this job. So these are some of the questions that you'll be asked before you can be able to get access to this job. What is your level of proficiency in English? So you're going to click over here and answer the question. Then what is your current country of residence? You are going to input it. Definitely you are going to input Togo, because this project is for those who are living in Togo. Do you have a native level of Kambi? You input yes or no. Then location, Togo, Benin, United States, Ghana. So definitely you are going to select Togo, all right? Then the personal information, which is the most important for applicants, are your first name, your last name, your email address that they can use to track record of what you applied for, then your phone number, and you must be able to create a resume that is going to give you opportunity to get the job, all right? So then lastly, you must have a cover letter. So most of all this information, just go over to ChatGPT and tell the chatbot to give you a sample CV that you're applying as a transcriber for Sigma.ai. All right, so he's going to give you a sample CV that is going to meet up to your expectation. All right, and also you can do that for cover letter. Tell ChatGPT that you want to apply as a transcriber on Sigma AI, and you want to a cover letter that is going to match with your job description. It's going to give you a descriptive cover letter. All right, I hope that helps. So let me go back to the next one. The next one is Wolof linguistic project remote, and this job was just posted 6 hours ago, and 3 people have clicked to apply. So you still have opportunity as you are watching this video to apply for this opportunity. All right, so if you're living in South Africa, kindly go over and apply for this job. So what are the basic requirements which is the most important for you to apply for this job? The first one is good oral comprehension and written expression of the mentioned language is essential. Intermediate level of English, computer skill at users level. All right, the following will be valued, which is experience in writing or data annotation, attention to details. All right, so if you have this requirement and you have this quality as an experienced transcriber, then you have opportunity to apply for this opportunity. All right, so how do you apply? You click on apply. All right, so you follow the process. You click on apply for this job. Do you have a native level of Wolof? You click yes or no. Do you have an Android phone? You click yes or no. Then do you know how to write Wolof using the Latin scripts? You input yes or no. Then you follow the process, and then you input your personal information, your resume, and your cover letter. You agree for the terms and condition, and you can now submit your application. All right, so if you watch this video to this point and you are yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you can get more value on this channel. All right, so let's go back to the next one. Let's go back to the next one. We have Kenya. So if you are living in Kenya, we have Masaba transcribers, which is was posted 19 hours ago according to the post on their LinkedIn app. So we can still apply for this opportunity. And what are the requirements that is needed? You input proficiency. The major requirements are proficiency in both oral comprehension, written expression of the mentioned language is essential. Intermediate level of English, computer skills at all level, then also attention to details. All right, so if you have this basic requirement, you can apply for this job. And funny enough, most of these jobs are not giving us maybe you must have A level in English, so you must just have a limited level of English language for you to perform well on this job. And the following will be valued, which is the experience in transcription or data annotation. All right, so this is an opportunity that you can get started as you are watching this video. So you're just going to click on apply. It's going to take you over here, and you're going to click on apply for this job. So you're going to answer this important information for you to have access to this opportunity. All right, so I wish you guys all the best. So let me go to the next one so that everyone can benefit. The next one is we have Carol English Hawaiian Pidgin transcribers. So if you are living in Hawaii, the United States, you can apply for this opportunity. And also let's go through the requirements. Native level of speaking, writing, and listening in Hawaii Carol English. And we also have intermediate level of English or Spanish, and computer skills at all level. All right, so if you have these requirements, you can apply for this opportunity. And the following will be valued, which is the most important: experience in writing or data annotation, attention to details. All right, so kindly go over and apply for this job. So if you are living in Hawaii in the United States, then this opportunity is still open, so you can apply for this opportunity. It's just simply transcribing Carol English into Hawaiian Pidgin. So that is just what is needed for this job. So you're going to click on the apply button, and also you click over here. So it's going to bring out the information. Do you have a native level of Hawaiian Carol English? So if you input yes, it's going to pop out the rest questions, so you can apply for this job. So your location, United States, and you are good to go. So lastly, your personal information, your resume, and you click on submit, and you can now kindly submit your application. So right, I wish you guys all the best for those who are applying all the way from the United States. And let's go over to the next one. German linguistic projects, which is a remote opportunity, and this job was just posted 18 hours ago. So if you are living in France, you have opportunity to get started and apply for this opportunity. And also most of the job I just highlighted are remote jobs, so you can apply and get started. All right, so what are the requirements? Good oral comprehension and written expression of the mentioned language is essential. Advanced level English level, computer skill at all level, and also the most important is experience in written or data annotation, attention to detail. So if you have these qualities and if you have these requirements, you can apply for this opportunity. All right, so you click on the apply button and apply. All right, then the next one I'm going to be highlighting is Yakute Maya transcribers. So if you're living in Peru, you have just 0 people who have applied for this opportunity. You can click on the apply button and apply for this opportunity. All right, so it's so easy to apply, and you can get started and apply now to get this opportunity. All right, the next one is transcribers who are living in Peru. I've highlighted this. Let me go down. We have Mumbai, which is the Kannada speakers. All right, I guess this is those who are living in India, so you can apply for this opportunity. Native level of speaking and listening in Kannada, intermediate level of English or Spanish, computer skill at users level. It is necessary to have an Android operating system mobile to carry out this project. All right, so these are the requirements, and the following will be valued: is experience in writing or data annotation, attention to details. All right, so mostly you can see an information here which is important. Sigma AI does not hire through third party. All right, so you can apply directly on their website. All right, and do not pay anyone who asks you to apply, that is going to apply on your behalf for you to get this opportunity. They are scammers. All right, so we have some people on different groups on the social media platform that's going to take opportunity for those who want to apply. All right, so you are applying for free on sigma.ai website. All right, so the next one I'm going to be highlighting is Haiti parallel linguistic project, which is remote and the greater lead area. 6 hours ago this job was posted. So let's see the requirements. Good oral comprehension and written expression of the mentioned language is essential. Intermediate level of English, computer skills at all level, and the most important is experience in written or data annotation, attention to details. All right, so these are the major information that is needed for you to apply for this job. And 6 hours ago 0 people have clicked to apply for this opportunity. All right, so if you have these skills and if you have these requirements, you can apply as an Haitian Carol linguistic project remote, which is greater lead area. All right, I wish you guys all the best. And lastly, we have Nagabiri, which is a transcriber, and for those who are living in Bolivia, this job was posted 6 hours ago. And let's go through the requirements. We have native level of speaking, writing, and listening in Nagabiri, an intermediate level of English or Spanish, computer skill at users level. The following will be valued: experience in writing or data annotation, attention to details. All right, so these are the basic information that is needed for you to apply for this job. All right, so Nagabiri transcribers are needed for a transcription project. This project will have a short duration. This is a flexible task, and that is to be completed throughout an online application, and it is available 24/7. All right, you just heard that right. So if you are living in Bolivia, you have opportunity to apply for this job. All right, so I wish you guys all the best. If you have any question regarding this video, kindly go over the comment section and ask your questions. And most of the important things you need is for you to create a CV that's going to match with the project description. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video so that most people can get this remote opportunity. All right, thank you guys for staying through to the very end, and I'll be seeing you guys in my very next one. Goodbye.